Hey everyone, Linus here, let's talk PC upgrades. Upgrading your PC is like injecting it with a super serum. It makes everything smoother, faster, and just plain better. Trust me, the results are worth it. Whether you're a gamer, a creative professional, or just tired of lag, these upgrades will change your digital life. Remember those times when your PC crawled while opening multiple tabs? Or when that new game stuttered and lagged? Upgrading key components can feel like getting a whole new computer without the price tag of a brand new system. First up, RAM. Think of RAM as your PC's short-term memory. It stores data for apps you're actively using. More RAM means more apps open without slowdowns. If you're multitasking between browsing, streaming, and work, upgrading your RAM is a game changer. 8 GB is decent for basic use, but 16 GB is the sweet spot for most users in 2024. Gamers and content creators will love the power of 32 GB. Trust me, upgrading your RAM is like giving your PC a brain boost. You'll see the difference. Next, let's talk storage. Ditch the old hard drive and embrace the speed of an SSD. SSDs are like lightning in a bottle compared to traditional hard drives. Booting up, loading games, and opening files will be insanely fast. With an SSD, your operating system will fly, applications will launch in a flash, and games will load levels in an instant. Even simple tasks like browsing the web feel snappier. It's a night and day difference you have to experience to believe. Graphics card, unleash visual brilliance. Gamers and creative professionals, this one's for you. The graphics card is the heart of visual performance. A better graphics card means smoother gameplay, higher resolutions, and stunning visuals. For video editing and 3D rendering, it's a must-have for faster rendering times and smoother workflows. From the latest AAA titles to demanding creative software, a powerful graphics card can handle it all. Imagine playing Cyberpunk 2077 with all the graphical bells and whistles, or editing 4K video without breaking a sweat. Keep it cool, efficient cooling for peak performance. Lastly, don't underestimate the importance of a good cooling system. A hot PC can lead to performance issues and even damage components. Upgrading your CPU cooler or investing in some extra case fans will keep your system running cool and stable, even under heavy loads. Think of it like giving your PC a breath of fresh air. A cooler system ensures your components operate at their best, prevents thermal throttling, and prolongs the lifespan of your precious hardware.